I decided to make crusty bread with no yeast. I first off started by sifting in 500 grams of plain flour into a bowl. With everything that's happened this year, the pandemic and life changes, it can be so easy to get swept up in the prevalent pains of life. I will share some helpful tips of expressing thankfulness to God. Being thankful definitely alleviates the mood and gives a fresh perspective on things. I then added in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and the equivalent of 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm sure that you'll agree with me that staying in a perpetual state of anger isn't pleasant. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I mixed everything in together with a wooden spoon. I then poured in 300 ml of milk into the bowl and mixed everything in together. And then when everything was nicely mixed in, I put the dough on a surface and I kneaded it lightly. Colossians 4:2. Continue earnestly in prayer, being vigilant in it with thanksgiving. Philippians 4:4-6. Rejoice in the Lord always. Again I will say, rejoice. Let your gentleness be known to all men. The Lord is at hand. Be anxious for nothing, but in everything, by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. Let's dive into thankfulness. One of the things that I like to do is list all the things that I have one by one and thank God for them. List the things that you have one by one and thank God for them, and remember that you were created specifically. You came into the earth with nothing, and all these things were given to you. Secondly, remember in detail all of the prayers God has answered for you. Think about what happened. Why did it amaze you? How did it amaze you? How did you see God's blessing? How did you feel? Third suggestion, play your favorite worship song and sing along to it. Listen to the lyrics and take it in. And then fourthly, read over one of the Gospels and consider these things. What examples of God's love can I see here? Remember that Jesus died for you too. Consider the words of Jesus and the life that he lived. I also like to do a thankful journal where I list at the end of the day things I'm thankful for and just give thanks to God for each of those things. Give these things a try and let me know how you get on. After about 2 minutes, I then flattened the dough onto a baking tray. Psalm 50:14. Offer to God thanksgiving and pay your vows to the Most High. Psalm 77 verse 11. I will remember the works of the Lord. Surely I will remember your wonders of old. I then scored the dough with a knife in a large X from one end to the other, and then I baked it in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!